Good morning. Today I'm going to talk to you how to add the Copilot for Sales app to your Microsoft Teams application. Where we're going to start is we're going to navigate over here to the left-hand side of the screen where we can see a list of all of our installed apps. You'll notice we don't see the Copilot for Sales app. However, if you navigate down here to the bottom to these three dots, we do have the option to view more apps. We'll click that because it might be installed. However, it may not be pinned to that sidebar. So we're going to navigate down here and search for Copilot for Sales app. We don't see it. So there's a few different ways we can go about adding it. So you'll notice we do have this search bar right here for search for apps. And I can type in Copilot for Sales. And you'll notice it pops up right here. And we could simply click add right here and add it to our teams. However, in the event that it does not populate here, you can navigate down here to the bottom for the Get More Apps. Click on that, and this will actually open us up to the App Store. So I'm going to navigate up here to the top left of the screen for this Search Apps and More, and I'm going to type in Copilot for Sales. I do want to make a mention that you'll notice that quite a few apps pop up. Again, we're looking for the Copilot for Sales app, and you want to ensure that you're choosing the one that has been released by Microsoft. So now that we've identified that this is the correct app that we want to install, I'm going to go ahead and click this Add button. And then you'll notice that we can add it here. So I'm going to go ahead and click this Add button. You'll notice it's adding it to my teams. And for mine, it did automatically populate down here on the bottom of my screen. However, in the event that you have too many apps pinned to the left sidebar, you may need to click on the three dots down here and identify it down here. Luckily, I don't need to do that, but I just wanted to offer that tip for navigation. If you do run into issues where you're unable to install it, please reach out to your IT support team for assistance. Thank you so much.